Today we have a Audi S8 2016 with a water leak problem. So we was originally getting drips on the centre console from the headlining, and I've done the 28-point check. There's no water in any of the footwells or any in the boot compartment, which is a good sign. But what we're going to just show you here is obviously we've got the trough where the sunroof pipe goes. So if we put a bit of water in there, then what that should do is it should drain off through the arches. But we can see in now, if I give it a bit of a wiggle, we can see that water's staying in now, so it's not actually running away. So what that will cause it to do is come over the top of the cassette, and then obviously it's going to come out through these light fittings here. If we look down here, we can see that there's no drips coming out of the arch, that's where they release. If we come round to the passenger side, same thing again. So we're just going to put a little bit of water in that trough without obviously spilling it anywhere. So as we can see, we've filled up the trough there. I'll give it a bit of a wiggle with our finger, so we can see that the water's still sitting in there. And we have checked the back ones. The back ones seem to be fine. They're running out through the rear arches. This one here is very, very slow. So the front drains are not releasing as well as they should do. The one thing that can cause is it can cause it to come down the A-pillars both sides underneath the carpet. As you can imagine, this has a lot of electrics on this car. So obviously the only way of getting that dry would be taking the seat out, lifting it up, wet vacuuming it out, and then putting our super drying machine in there. Obviously it causes you electrical problems, and it can cause you odour problems as well, and you ain't going to want an odour problem on a sort of car like this. So there we go. So it's just the sunroof which is giving this one's problems at the moment. Other than that, everything's good. So there we go. Okay, so we've got the end video on the Audi S8. So it originally come in with a water leak. It was the sunroof what was giving us a problem. It was just blocked. So that's all been cleaned, the cassette, and it's been flushed front and back. It's also had a graphene coating, interior detail as well. So it's looking lovely and clean in now. It's also had the leather protection on the leather as well to make it a lot softer. The wheels have also been ceramic, and the glass has been ceramic as well, and I've done the tailpipes in the heat resistant ceramic as well. So there we go. It's got a lovely shine for a 10-year car. Amazing.